Happy hiking Sunday afternoon.
Hello.
We are changing it up a little bit today.
Yep, we are here on the south side of Mt St Helens.
And we're back at our very first hike we ever did 7 years ago.
Yep.
Oh gosh, feels like forever ago.
Yep,
But
pretty cool.
This is what sparked our love for hiking.
Yep, heading up to June Lake. It's about 2.5 total. Not that far. It's nice for a great
Short
hike.
little day hike.
Great for a family hike. Not that much elevation. It's nice. There's like a waterfall up there, and
We don't have very
nice.
many views of the mountains today because unfortunately there's a couple fires going on, and so the wind has blown the smoke pretty far
Actually,
into the valley. So.
Where we camp a lot of the time on the south side of Mt St Helens, that place is all closed because of the forest fire.
Yeah.
Kalama Horse Camp.
But hopefully rain will be in next week.
Yeah. Yep.
And make
it's
it all
cooling
better.
down. So, all right.
All right, let's get this hike
Let's go.
started.
Let's
Let's
go.
do this.
Let's go.
Feels so weird not wearing the backpack. it from June Lake. We're gonna head back down the trail, and maybe we'll see her in another 7 years. We'll see.
No, sooner than that.
And that is it for, I think, the shortest hike we've done in a very long time. Oh, that is it from our quick little June Lake trail hike on this beautiful Sunday afternoon.
It was awesome.
Yeah, it was great. It was about 3 miles and somewhere between 400 and 500 feet in elevation gain. Took us about an hour and a half. We were going at a pretty steady pace up. So we had a great time. It's a pretty easy hike and beautiful views when you get to the end of the trail.
Dogs and the kids.
Yeah. So
yeah,
great time.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Let's go. Thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Worked hard on that.
Push it over.
Oh.
Do it.
It's pointing the way.
Oh, it's getting pushed over, lady. Told you to knock it over. All right. All right. Last thing I need to be is cursed here on Mt St Helens.